Hello students, this is chapter 2 polynomials and we will take the topic factor theorem, and first we will discuss about the factor theorem. After that we will solve the exercise based on factor theorem. So what is factor theorem? If px means polynomial in x, is a polynomial of degree n is greater than and equal to 1 and a is any real number, then there are two conditions. First, x minus a is a factor of polynomial x, means px. If pa is equal to 0, this is the first condition, that x minus a is a factor of px if pa is equal to 0, means remainder becomes 0. Second is pa is equal to 0 if x minus a is a factor of px. If pa is equal to 0 means remainder 0, then x minus a is a factor. So we will take these two points and solve it. We will prove we are doing. Now first part, proof of first part. Here pa is equal to 0, so let pa is equal to 0 and suppose px polynomial is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a. If polynomial px is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, let qx is the quotient. Now by remainder theorem, when px is divided by x minus a and qx is the quotient, so you will get, by the remainder theorem, fx divided by x minus a, the remainder is you can take px polynomial in the form of px, you can write it fx, both are the same thing. So here we are taking in px. By the remainder theorem, px is divided by x minus a, then the remainder is pa. We have studied it in the remainder theorem. So you can write this expression like this: px is equal to x minus a into qx. This is divisor because it divides the polynomial px, and this is the quotient, plus remainder pa. But it is given that pa is equal to 0. Let pa is equal to 0. So substitute here x minus a and qx, and this is the 0 plus 0, since PA is equal to 0. Now this shows, it implies Px is equal to x minus a qx. No remainder is there. It shows that x minus a is a factor of the polynomial Px. So you can write it, x minus a is a factor of Px. This is for part first. In this we can take Pa is equal to 0 and by the remainder theorem write this expression like this: dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder, and substitute remainder 0. So you will get Px in the form of x minus a into qx. Here this shows that x minus a is a factor of Px. Now come to the part second. In this part, the given is x minus a is a factor of Px and we have to prove Pa is equal to 0. Therefore, let x minus a is a factor of Px. So that if Px is divided by linear polynomial x minus a, if Px is divided by x minus a, the quotient is qx, suppose. So you can write it like this: Px is equal to x minus a into qx, because we have already supposed that x minus a is a factor. So in this case there is no need to write remainder, and now we have to show Pa is equal to 0. So substitute x is equal to a, putting x is equal to a. X is equal to a. So what you will get, the Pa is equal to a minus a into qx, and a minus a is equal to 0. 0 into qx is equal to 0. Pa is equal to 0. It implies Pa is equal to 0, which we have to prove. So here x minus a is a factor, therefore Pa is equal to 0. So for both we have to write it like this: if x minus a is a factor of Px, it implies Pa is equal to 0, and if Pa is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor. So vice versa. This is our main theme of the factor theorem. Now we will do exercise. This is exercise first D. Using factor theorem, show that number 1 is x minus 2 is a factor of x cube minus 8, and these are all the questions. So how much possible in this video we will solve it. See all the questions, I will do only solution. The first question is x minus 2 is a factor of x cube minus 8. So using factor theorem, by factor theorem, if x minus a is a factor of Px, then PA is equal to 0. How to get PA? When you substitute x minus a is equal to 0, then x is equal to a. How to get PA? Here I am showing x minus a is equal to 0 and x is equal to a, and you substitute the value in the polynomial. So in the first part, here the linear polynomial is x minus 2. So you will substitute x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2. Now find the value p. First you write px. What is px? Px is equal to x cube minus 8. Now p2 is equal to 2 cube minus 8, and this becomes 2 to the 4 to the 8. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. P2 is equal to 0. This shows that remainder is at the value 2 is 0, so that x minus 2 is a factor of the given polynomial x cube minus 8. Proved. Now come to the second part, or you can write it like this: proved, or therefore x minus 2 is a factor of the polynomial x cube minus 8. Now I will not write in all the parts this statement. You can write by watching first part. I am solving only putting the linear polynomial is equal to 0. Now come to the second part. Second question is, x minus 3 is a factor if. So you have to write solution x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 3. Now find out the value at px by putting x is equal to 3. So our px is 2x cube plus 7x square minus 24x minus 45. Now find out p3 is equal to 2 into 3 cube plus 7 into 3 square minus 24 into 3 minus 45. Now solve it. 2 into 3 3 is a 9, 3 is a 27 plus 3 3 is a 9, 7 is a 63 minus 3 4 is a 12, 3 2 is a 6, 1 7 minus 45. This becomes 54 plus 63 minus 72 minus 45. Now solve it. You will get 117 minus 117. You will get 0. This shows that x minus 3 is a factor of the given polynomial. Therefore x minus 3 is a factor of polynomial of the given polynomial px. I am writing only in short form px. Now come to the question number 3. X minus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial. So write down x minus solution. X minus 1 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. Now substitute the value in the polynomial. Px is equal to 2x to the power of 4 plus 9x cube plus 6x square minus 11x minus 6. Now 2 into 1 to the power of 4 plus 9 into 1 cube plus 6 into 1 square minus 11 into 1 minus 6 is equal to 2 plus 9 plus 6 minus 11 minus 6 and plus 6 minus 6, and this 9 into 11 and this is minus 11, we will get 0. So write down the answer, that therefore x minus 1 is a factor. X minus 1 is the factor of the given polynomial px. This is the way you can solve the other parts. This is the solution of question number 4th, and this is the 5, in which we have to prove x plus 5 is the factor of the given polynomial px, and substitute x plus 5 is equal to 0, so that x is equal to minus 5, and p minus 5 is equal to, when you substitute the value x is equal to minus 5, solve it. 2 into 5 5s are 25, 5s are 125 minus, so this will be plus even power, 5 5s are 25, 9s are 225 minus minus plus 55 minus 30. Now this becomes minus 250 plus 225 plus 55 minus 30. Now solve it. These two parts you will get minus 25, and from these two parts plus 25 will get 0. So this shows that x plus 5 is a factor of the given polynomial. Therefore x plus 5 is a factor of given polynomial. Question number 6, try yourself. I think here some mistake in the question, and my book's edition is old, so students, maybe it is correct in the new edition. So try yourself the question number 6. This is the question number 7. In this, put x minus 2 is equal to root 2 is equal to 0. So you will get x is equal to root 2, and substitute this value in the polynomial. You will get p root 2 is equal to 0, so that x minus root 2 is a factor of the given polynomial. Same the question number 8, x plus root 2 is equal to 0. So substitute x is equal to minus root 2. This shows you will get the value 0, so that x plus root 2 is a factor of the given polynomial. Now come to the next question, question number 9. See the question number 9. Find the value of k for which x minus a is a factor of 2x cube plus 9x square plus x plus k. So we have to find out the value of k. By the factor theorem, if x minus a is a factor of polynomial px, then fx is equal to 0. So here we are using x minus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial. So you will substitute x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. Now substitute this value in the polynomial. Px is equal to 2. First I am writing the polynomial 2x cube plus 9x square plus x plus k. If this is a factor, then pa is equal to 0, and substitute the value of a, which is 1. So p1 is equal to 2 into 1 cube plus 9 into 1 square plus 1 plus k. Now substitute this is equal to 0. Now you will get 2, 1 cube is 1 plus 9 into 1 1 plus 1 plus k is equal to 0. So 9, 10, 11 and 12. 12 plus k is equal to 0 or k is equal to minus 12. Answer. This is the question number 10. Find the value of a for which x minus 4 is a factor of the polynomial 2x cube minus 3x square minus 18x plus a. Solution. If x minus 4 is a factor, then substitute x is equal to 4. X minus 4 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 4, so that remainder is 0. Pa is 0 means p at 4. This is a polynomial. Px is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 18x plus a. So you will get p4 2 into 4 cube minus 3 into 4 square minus 18 into 4 plus a, and you will get put is equal to 0. You will get 2, 4 4 is 16, 4 is 64 minus 4 4 is 16, 3 is 48 minus 72 plus a is equal to 0. Now this becomes 128 minus 120 plus a is equal to 0, and 8 plus a is equal to 0 or a is equal to minus 8. Answer. A is equal to minus 8. This is the answer. From 11th we will do in our next video. And students, please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.